Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Ooh, this looks nice. Hey, no, I'm not. Well, hey, I might use this caulking today. I think actually I will. There's a little bit left. There's about this much. Yeah, about this much left. And that might be just enough for me on the project that I'm going to be doing. I just finished up all this. I put the basket sink strainer in, hooked up the sink faucet, hooked up the soap dispenser, hooked up the garbage disposal, hooked up all the piping underneath there. And I did that. Of course, I got that on my videos on a previous episode of condo renovations. And what am I going to do today? Well, it happens to be in this bathroom, and kaboom! I don't have a sink here, do I? We had a pedestal sink there, and we decided to remove it and reinstall the pedestal sink after we installed the new flooring, after we painted and all that kind of stuff. And I got it out here. It's been sitting out here for a few months now. See, it's just a white porcelain freestanding type sink. This gets bolted up to the wall, and I'll show you that in a little bit. And here's the base of it. This square container, and there's a U, it's a U-shaped, and it's open on the back side. So you set that down first, set this on top of that, and this gets bolted into the wall. And then I'll put my white silicone caulking around it. And I know exactly where it goes because I decided not to clean off and scrape off this caulking any more than I had to when I got ready to repaint, because this tells me exactly where the edge of the sink is, right? And I'll just follow this and then make sure this line is up nice and straight, and that's where the bolts are going to go. So if you want to watch that, stick around. Well, I'm sure glad that's done. I've been dreading getting this reinstalled and everything. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to show you next time, but I'll find something. Keep watching. Okay, gotta caulk this thing and call it good.